Nikki's Custom Interiors. So she's out of Michigan.
Tipton, Michigan.
Tipton, Michigan. I don't know, is shipping that $50? That ain't bad for 2 panels and a... There it is, guys. Check them out. But I want to know about the truck. You want to tell me about the truck a little bit?
Well, it's a 60 F100. My wife got it for me for my 45th birthday.
I forgot about what she did to the grill.
It has since undergone a few changes to include a 3-inch drop axle from SIDS.
Okay.
Including some 3-inch drop posing springs in the back. It also has his relocating hanger kit for the rear leaves.
Oh, nice.
We're sitting on the middle notch right here. It's got a little bit of a rake. A little custom touch on the grill that I did myself.
I like it, dude.
We're running some Brand X arc lights just because they match.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Huh?
And I was told at a car show in September last year that I am at my limit of showing shiny, chromy, pointy things.
And who said that?
There was a gentleman that come up and seen the truck.
I thought you were going to say wife or something.
302, it's a 97 roller block out of an Explorer.
Oh, nice.
68 iron heads, small Lunati cam, 600 Edelbrock Performer RPM.
So what'd you say, what year Explorer?
97.
Okay. Yeah, if I remember correctly, the Explorer 302s, if you were to keep the same heads anyway.
They originally came with the GT40P
Yeah,
heads.
GT40P heads. You decided to go elsewhere with that?
I had issues trying to locate some headers, so I just stayed with my 68 iron heads.
Yeah, I have GT40P heads, and I found some headers. But when I bought the headers that were for GT40P heads, it didn't work. Like,
Yeah.
what? Like, it didn't even make any sense.
Yeah,
But-
it's a chore to find some headers that'll work with any, a particular situation. It's not
Yeah.
Mustang or something other based.
Well, if I remember correctly, too, the 97 Explorers, if you're doing anything more, you got to change the cam, because the cam and the lifters and the springs, they're all like
Right. And
really
these-
soft,
These are set up for 549 lifts.
There you go, yeah. Very cool, man. How long have you had it?
6 years.
That's it?
Yeah.
So basically I've known you for 6 years? Is that kind of what? Oh, that's cool. Hey, all right. So where'd the name Shorty B and Shorty B Garage come from?
Shorty B come off of, it was kind of odd because I worked for a heavy equipment dealer. And at the time we had a Cat Arctic truck come in, and it had the Shorty B script wrote across the windshield.
Huh.
So naturally,
That's the one you drove.
last name being Brown, I'm not real tall. The truck, it's a short bed, so hey, Shorty B sticks.
No. That's funny. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Really made this truck your own, man. What exhaust are you running?
It's running just 24-inch glass packs.
Old school, man.
Right in front of the wheels, which might get changed this year because
Really?
you get on a long trip, it's got a little bit of a drone. It's certainly
Yeah. I like this too. You usually have bikes in the back, don't you?
I do. I've got them. They're actually hanging on the wall over there.
Oh, there they are. Match, painted to match and everything.
Haven't had them in this year yet. They were garage sale finds that just kind of showed up. Were the
Oh, that's
right
cool.
color.
Well, cool truck, man. Appreciate rocking the sticker. And I appreciate you having your truck as a getting filmed and everything. Hey! Oh, you painted
Gotta
it. Heck
represent.
yeah. That's cool. Thanks, brother. I think I'm gonna go walk around here before we lose light. Some of your trucks, if that's okay.
You bet.
He's got some
We
cool
do have a little
stuff.
package for this bump side that's setting out in front of it.
What do you mean?
Form of a 393 stroker.
Hey, there it is. Wow. So tell me about this.
This was actually built by the gentleman in Miami, Oklahoma that runs the Barbarian monster truck. He had it in a rock crawler of his for about 20 minutes until he blew the transfer case up. So
And then it was time to change.
then he
the-
pulled it out and
Time to change the motor, I
he
guess. So you
was
built a transfer case.
back on building a little Fox body. So
Okay.
he kind of put this to bed and we picked it up.
I wonder what brand heads are those. Yeah, who knows what brand heads these are? Wild. It's funny, they got Ford castings on them in regards to like, you know, the aluminum side, but I don't see no Ford emblems. That's cool, man. So what do you say this is going in?
This is going in the little black bump side out there,
The black bump side.
which is getting a Crown Vic, probably coilovers, hopefully a torque armor, suspension.
And this is going to be your wife's?
This would be the wife.
You're giving her the striker? Oh my gosh. That's wild.
She'll play with it, along with her Mustang in there.
Yeah, I saw that. Everybody loves a bump side. Alrighty, man, I've taken enough of your time. I am going to go look at your stuff over here, though. Do you want to show it to me, or you just want me to wander?
Walk up there.
Alright, cool. So what's your plan with all this?
Just projects. The T-Bird, it's a runner. It's got a 302 HO in it. Independent
T-Bird?
rear suspension.
Wait, that T-Bird?
That little brown.
Really?
T-Bird.
What am I doing?
This is the donor Vic for the little bumps. Got a
What are you going to do with
16.
that?
Yeah, once I get the clip out of it, then it's going to the scrap.
So this is the motor that I have in that. 4.6.
And this was an ex-police car.
Yeah, so it's real clapped out.
Yeah. We got a 69 Ranger package.
Oh, that's clean.
Long bed. It's the old boy had painted it with implement paint.
Oh, so it's going nowhere
So-
then, huh?
It's
Wow. I like this panel van, dude. Is that what they call these?
48 panel van.
Yeah.
And it used to be a lithograph outfit, I believe, out of Springfield at one time.
Cool. Yeah, I'll tell you what. So he lives out by Branson, so Silver Dollar City. And I'll tell you what, you don't need to do a roller coaster because driving to your house was like, jeez, windy roads. I was like, huh.
We had a car show down here this weekend. And
Yeah?
several of the people commented about the windy roads that come from Springfield.
Really?
Little 64 Falcon 4-door. It's for sale if anybody wants to buy it.
Really?
Make me an offer.
Always wanted a little Falcon Futura. You know, the 2-door or whatever. Oh my gosh, look at all this. What are you doing with all that?
Wrecked.
By whom?
Kids.
Ah! That's hilarious. Hey man, I mean, you know, at least this one has Jesus on the side of it.
Jesus.
That's cool. So this story on this one.
Kids are expensive. This old Edsel, it's a 59 Ranger, 6-cylinder car, 3-speed. My dad had bought it years ago, and the city that he was living in made him move it, so we drug it down here, and it's set for a while. It's pretty rough.
Just gonna hold on to it.
Very much of the rocker left on either side.
So did you spend some time in this as a kid, or was this something he grabbed later on?
This was one that he bought afterwards.
Everybody loves an Edsel. They didn't love them when they came.
Kind of a neat old car. We got an old 50 that was gifted to me.
Yeah, boy, people giving you cars. What is that over there?
That's a 55 Buick Century.
I was gonna say, for a second I said Bel Air, but then I saw the Buick.
Yeah, portal.
Yeah, right on the side there.
That was a trade years ago.
What are you gonna do with that? Put a Coyote in it?
No, the guy thought I needed it.
Oh, it's making beautiful lawn art.
It's part of trade. 59, the block that come out of this truck, it was a 302 somebody had put in, but the block that come out of this truck is actually in my boy's 74.
Oh, okay.
So,
like,
and then I've got a 58 on the other side.
are you kids not allowed to not drive Fords?
No, they can. Well, you can see the one. He's got a Ford in the garage.
Is
but he
that
drives
a? Is
Mini,
that? I was gonna say, is that a Cooper Mini? What's up with the
That was one of my dad's cars,
Yeah?
aluminum. After he passed, we brought it down here. A little transmission work. This old 58 we bought up in Lebanon.
So you just holding on to these for kind of parts trucks for yours?
I've got some dreams for this one.
Yeah. Which one's what's funny is that one looks to be more solid, but I bet you this one is.
This one's kind of rough. It's a good truck to cut up. So it's probably going to end up with the dash out of the Edsel and
Really? You're just gonna
a
go?
few more little
You're just gonna go
more little tricks.
full custom, huh?
It'll be a airbag. Probably leave it a long bed. Might do a little bit of a cameo take with some rear quarters off of something.
Long bed, wrong bed. They used these on the slicks for like the first year or two,
All the
right?
way, actually all the way I think through 64 or 5 on the 4-wheel drives.
Oh, really?
Quarter tons. They quit on the half tons in 63.
Wow. Man, this is cool. 6 years and I haven't come up here yet. I should have invited myself sooner.
I've got a 47 down there.
What are you gonna do with that?
That one started out getting an S10 subframe, but the way it sits, we're only about 3/4 of an inch off the ground. So I found a kid in Harrison that had another frame from a 46 that he had
Yeah.
that I bought from him. So I'm going to use that frame and do a little bit something different. So
Cool.
either bags or a drop axle.
Cool.
And I've actually got a 63 401 nail head that might find its way into the engine bay.
Heck yeah. That's awesome. Well, I'll get out of your hair, man. I'll get out of your hair. Thank you so much. I really appreciate
Yeah,
it.
I appreciate
Wish you had some socials for people to go check out, but you don't really do that, right?
No, no.
You're an old school shop guy. But guys, check out Nikki's Custom Interiors. They do all types of interior, and they do, I would say, a nice mix of new school, old school. So if you guys need some serious upholstery done, like this, and check out Nikki's. Check them out on Facebook. See ya.